How is it going, guys? It's been really long and I'm so sorry. I've been really occupied. I have a lot of things I've been doing and in and out of trading, okay, but I don't really want to talk about that right now. I want to explain to you guys how to be able to spot pullbacks or zones to which gold will retrace from. If you notice very well, the main concept of price action is to be able to predict future outcome for past events, okay, but at this point gold is at its all-time high, so it's going to be really hard for you to predict zones whereby gold can pull back from. On this video I'll be explaining how you guys can be able to spot those zones and be ready for the pullback before it even happens. Okay, so without further ado, let's just go straight into the video. Let's go. Okay guys, so I don't do most of my chart work here. I actually do that off of this, but I'm going to be using Pepperstone for the purpose of this video. So right now this is the all-time high for gold. This is the all-time high. So what is this particular thing I'm talking about? It is actually very simple. It is psychological levels. So psychological levels are just random numbers. So this is just an example of a psych level. Okay, I'll put in another random number. Yeah, so now I'm going to go down to a lower time frame and you see how strong these zones can really be. Or let me just add more so you understand how psychology really works. Okay, so that is it. Let me go down to a lower time frame. My favorite is 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so now look at this right there. Okay, we can see for an instance where gold is currently right now is actually testing 2525. Okay, that is a very strong zone whereby gold is really testing off of. Now the question is, will gold actually pull back from here? I can't really tell, but then again we have an extended move from this zone to this. Okay, so it's really nice to see a pullback. You can call this a flat pattern, maybe a possible pullback, then a continuation to the next zone. So this is one way you can be able to catch pullbacks or expect some type of retracement. Of course, I caught gold from here to show you how powerful this is. I caught gold somewhere around here. Okay, I had my long position here and I held this to this zone. That's when I left, and you can see the way the candle have been really putting around there. So to show you that this really works, and you can see we had a massive spike up from this level. Cycle level really works, okay, but you just have to take your time to backtest. For example, this short here, I caught this sell from here down to somewhere around, I can't really remember, but somewhere within this range. Don't forget, I don't really use this as the only confluence. This is just a way to know zones to expect pullbacks from. Okay, these are just a way to expect pullback and be ready, because one thing is to get in early, but another thing is to know when to exit the market. So that is basically it. That's really everything I wanted to show you guys about the concept of psychological levels. So just go around, play with it, and see how powerful this can be for you. As I said, this is just one of the confluences I use most times to know when to exit the market. It's not like a strategy. You have to back test and see if it really works for you. So that is it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to give us a thumbs up, comment, and share this video so that people can also learn value from this particular content. So thank you all so much, and this is what we're going to be wrapping it up till next time. See y'all.